Newton and Winston Churchill both were premature babies, and they were very low birth weight babies at birth. So both of them had a birth weight of less than 1500 gram, and they lead a life which is enviable by anybody. Hello, I am Dr. J.K. Mittal, consultant neonatologist, director Neo Clinic, Children Hospital, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss a little bit about prematurity and its related complications. Nature has designed a fetus to be born at 280 days. Any newborn baby who is being born before 37 completed weeks of gestation is called a premature babies. A preterm baby have low birth weight and associated complications. As we know, our body develops in 9 months in mother's womb. During the first 6 months of gestation, a newborn baby's body parts develops, but in last 3 months they start functioning and their functional maturity is achieved. Any baby who is born before 9 completed months is being born with a functionally immature organ system. So he or she will have complications related to that. A normal term baby is born at 2.5 kg of birth weight. A baby who is being born before 37 weeks are generally premature baby and low birth weight baby, which means they have less of food reserve, which is mandatory and required in first few days postnatally or after birth. Since they are not being born with the extra food, they are at risk of developing low sugar, low calcium and malnutrition. Simultaneously, because their organ systems are not developed, they can have other complications like breathing difficulty, like hypotension or low BP. Any subtle sound or shift in the position can lead to brain hemorrhage. They are low in immune, so can catch infections easily. Thus, these babies require specialized care. Babies who are between 1500 to 2500 grams recover easily, have good survival chances, and can recover with a minimalistic approach with the mother also. Babies who are born before 1500 gram, and especially the babies who are less than 1000 gram at birth, needs special attention and require an ICU care. Fortunately, in last 1 or 2 decades, with the help of scientific and medical advancements, it has been possible that babies who are more than 1000 gram, between 1000 to 1500 gram, almost 95% of them make it and grow healthy. Babies who are between 800 to 1000 gram, with the good supportive care, more than 80% of the babies survive and survive with a good neurological outcome, which means they lead to a productive, healthy life in future. If you are pregnant and you are having some pregnancy related complications which can lead to premature birth, it is always better to discuss with the neonatologist before birth of the baby. It is very necessary to discuss before birth, since birth is a period with high excitement and high activity. If the condition is known at birth, it might be difficult for you to understand what more needs to be done. Since the baby is being taken to an ICU, baby might require respiratory support, baby might require multiple supports. So it is always better to discuss with a neonatologist before birth, discuss about the expected length of stay with him, discuss about the expected financial burden on you, discuss about the other necessary things which are needed to support the baby and you at this period of the time. If you are comfortable, if you are prepared, majority of premature babies go home healthy and successfully. Being born as a premature baby is not a curse. Most of these babies do well in their life. And if I give you an example, Newton and Winston Churchill both were premature babies, and they were very low birth weight babies at birth. So both of them had a birth weight of less than 1500 gram, and they lead a life which is enviable by anybody. So if your baby is premature, he is not a weak child, he is a brave child. He just requires your support and preparation to make it. Thank you.